I have a challenge. Now, for 2019, one of my goals was to hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, I started making trading videos roughly 1 year ago, talking about day trading, what I do, how much money I make, and I love doing it. And I'm not going to stop doing it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to challenge myself. For 1 month, I am going to make a vlog every single day. I bought this new camera, the Canon G9X, for on-the-go, pretty much on-the-go videos, vlogs, different types of videos, because one of my goals is to kind of change up my channel. Now, I feel like I've been stuck in this grind of just making these day trading recaps or teaching people, and I'm still going to do that. But I want to share my experience. I want to share my journey. I want to share my life with you, the viewers, my subscribers, my 791 subscribers. Now, we're going to be doing more things. We're going to be doing different types of giveaways. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of things. Now, I'm going to be on the go. I'm going to be talking to you guys. You guys are going to be with me as a friend, as anybody. Now, so this is going to be a series. We're starting it tomorrow. It's going to be a vlog. Now, vlogging has taken over YouTube over the past couple of weeks, more like past couple of years. It has taken over YouTube. So honestly, I am jumping on it. I'm saying screw it, screw everything. I'm just gonna go for it, because one of my goals is to be a YouTuber, not a YouTube day trade recap, which I'm still gonna do, guys. I'm still gonna do everything that I'm doing, but I am going to vlog. The moral of the story is I'm vlogging. So starting tomorrow, there will be a vlog up by probably 1 a.m. So maybe late Saturday night or early Sunday morning, guys. So I am starting to vlog, and I'm using the Canon G9X, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow for vlog day 1, starting a challenge with you guys for 30 days or 1 month of straight vlogging. So I'm excited to do this, guys. I hope you guys stay with me and come on this journey with me, and we can have a lot of fun together. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.